Hi guys, today's lesson is about how to use wood. Wood is derived from wheel and is actually its past tense, so the most common uses of wood are related to the past tense. We use wood in a negative form to express unwillingness in the past. They wouldn't issue a refund because they said the package had been damaged. We also use wood to talk about past habits and habitual events. When I was small, I had a friend and we would spend hours together playing outside. Another reason for using wood is to refer to the future from some point in the past. He bought tickets for the next day's show. He would go there with his friends. We use wood as the past form of will as a result of backshifting of tenses in the reported speech. He said he would stay anyway. We also use would in the subjunctive mood and conditionals, which are quite similar. I wouldn't have thought it might happen. We use would in polite forms, requests and offers. Would you mind opening the window? Would you help me, please? In rare cases, we use would to express resistance, failure in negative sentences. The door wouldn't open. Sometimes we use would in responses to express disapproval of something expected. He refused to help, I know he would. We use would to express some degree of certainty. That would be she, that would be in 1917, would you? And finally we use would to sound less direct. I would recommend you this one. It's not your type, I would say. Thank you so much for your time. See ya.